Welcome to online coaching for the fine basic students. Today I am going to take the part numerical analysis. In this part I am going to take chapter numerical differentiation. To understand the chapter numerical differentiation, I am going to explain through the very simple method, through simple example. What is the numerical differentiation? To understand easily, first let us see like this way. We know that what is the function y equal to x cube is a function, algebraic function. If you differentiate this one time, you get 3x square, and if you differentiate again with respect to x, you get the 6x. If we give particular values at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, divided by x equal to 3 into 1 equal to 3, then d square by d square equal to 6 into 1 equal to 6. These are the values of the first derivative and second derivative of the function at the point x equal to 1. Similarly, if you find out the differentiation at the point x equal to 5, divided by d is equal to 3 into 5 square, 25 into 3, 75. Again, d square by d square equal to 6 into 5, which is equal to 30. These are the first derivative and second derivative of the function at the particular point x equal to 5. Now, this is the calculus part. You know very well about the differentiation and finding values of the differentiation at the particular points. Now, by means of the numerical differentiation in the numerical chapter analysis, we have to get the same results. Divided by is equal to 3 and d square by d is equal to 6, and divided by d is equal to 75, d square by d is equal to 38, x equal to 5. Same values we should get by means of numerical methods. So, can define the term numerical differentiation like this way. The process of finding the derivative of a function corresponding to a particular arguments in the given set of values is known as numerical differentiation. Differentiation is set of values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, so set of values ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ using the given function. Here put x equal to 1, get y equal to 1, put x equal to 2, y equal to 8, put x equal to 3, 3 cube 27, x equal to 4, 4 cube 64, x equal to 5, 5 cube 25. These are the given set of values. In the given set of values, we have to find out numerical differentiation. That means differentiation at the particular given arguments. If the required derivative corresponding to a particular arguments, particularly if it lays at the beginning of table, we have to make use of two formulae, divided by d first formula and d square by d square second formula to find out the first derivative and as well as second derivative. If the required derivative lies at the beginning of the table. Similarly, if the required derivative lies at the end of the table, we have to make use of two formulae using Newton-Gregory backward integration formula. By means of that formula, we have to derive those two formulae, and hence we get the differentiation values. Here, the required value lies at the, to find divided by x and d square by d x equal to 1. The required derivative lies at the beginning of the table. Therefore, we have to make use of the two formulae which are obtained or which are derived by the Newton-Gregory forward integration formula. Let us see now. In the numerical analysis, how do you get the divided by x and d square by d square x equal to 1? We should get the same values 3 and also 6 in this part, in this chapter also. So here, for the given set of values, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, corresponding values of y are 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125. For the given set of values, construct the forward difference table. You know very well how to construct the forward difference table. How, again I am going to explain the difference 8 minus 1, 7, 27 minus 8, 19, 64 minus 27, 37, 125 minus 64, 61. Similar, the second difference 90 minus 7, 12, 37 minus 19, 18, 61 minus 37 is 24. Third difference is 80 minus 12, 6, 24 minus 18, 6, and fourth difference is 6 minus 6 is 0. This is called the forward difference table. Using the forward difference table, with the help of these values, you can find out the required derivatives. Let us find out divided by d and d square by d square at x equal to 1. To find this value, we have to obtain this formula using the Newton-Gregory forward integration formula. Here of course the derivation not necessary. I am written here directly the formula. So dy by dx at x equal to 1, at x equal to any point. This is a very particular point. Formula is generally 1 by h into delta y naught minus 1 by 2 delta square y naught plus 1 by 3 delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4 delta power 4 y naught and etc. Now here we know the value of h. H is nothing but the difference between the arguments. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3, 5 minus 4 is the value of h. H equal to 1. Delta y naught is first forward difference is 7 minus 1 by 2 into second forward difference is 12 plus 1 by 3 into third forward difference is 6 minus 1 by 4 into fourth forward difference is 0. Now simplify this. After simplification we get this 3, that means dy by dx, the value of dy by dx at x equal to 1 is 3 by means of the numerical method, and we obtained previously dy by dx at x equal to 1 is also 3 by the calculus method. So now these two are same. Therefore, we now comparing these two values are same by means of the calculus method as well as the numerical differentiation method. Similarly, to find the second derivative at x equal to 1, the formula is 1 by x square into delta square y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 delta power 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 delta power 5 y naught plus etc. This is the formula derived by the Newton-Gregory forward deposition formula. Now derivation not necessary. I have also written directly the formula here like this way. Now again substitute the obtained here values. Get 1 by h into value h value is 1. Delta square y naught is the second difference 12 minus delta cube y naught is third difference is 6 plus fourth difference is 0. After simplification we get 6. That means the value of this square at x equal to 1 is 6 by means of the numerical method. We obtained the same value this square at x equal to 1 is 6 by the calculus method. That means both are same, values are same by means of the calculus method or by means of the numerical method. This is the how to obtain the numerical differentiation.